government is full of secrets and wanting to keep them in.
Do you ever feel you have a right to know what is going on outside your window? Do you ever feel like there's no honesty, information being veiled by democracy?
Do you know that there's somewhere you can go because you wanna know? WikiLeaks will invite you right behind the lines. Just go online and escape the lies.
'Cause WikiLeaks will set you free. Transparency that you can see. Make the government go oh, oh no. 'Cause you don't believe their lies. Mr. Assange has found a way. It looks like he will have to pay.
The government go oh, oh no. Now they really wanna bring him down.
WikiLeaks might be a little problem, but there's this guy you see, here's his opinion. With the government, he would disagree. He thinks the truth should be out there for you and me. The social contract formed between us and them depends on the belief that we all have the right to know.
We have to trust in them to keep us safe, but when we have our doubts,
WikiLeaks will invite you right behind the lines. Just go online and escape the lies. 'Cause WikiLeaks will set you free. Transparency that you can see. Make the government go oh, oh no. 'Cause you don't believe their lies.
in the book that John Locke penned, secondary deeds of government.
He says they should be honest, or we should just vote them out. WikiLeaks, information can be too risky,
We should be able to choose.
and the choice is up to you. WikiLeaks might say too much. People could die in that with some. The government should choose.